Hey everybody, coming because it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so I think I told you guys I was going to be moving. That's what I'm doing. Packing, I'm doing all day. So I thought I would come to you with the famous old baby bag. Things that everyone does today. And then I'll do probably tomorrow after I get everything situated. Tomorrow is after the my bag. This is her bag. And she will come my bag. Maybe. But yes, that's what I'm doing. So here we go. Let's get started with this. Okay. So her little socks. They're inside out. Because I put them in here. But this is what they look like. And they got a little bow. So her socks. And I have a 9-year-old brother. Excuse me. I have a 9-year-old brother. And he bought her this. I love my Uncle Caleb. It's so cute. So adorable. Okay, and then I got apple bottoms. Cheetah. With the matching onesie to go with it. And so apple bottom just like that. I don't know what I'm going to put on here when she leaves. Oh, I do not know. Oh yes, sorry. And these are her other socks. Okay, these are her other socks. They're just pink. They're on top. Pink and on top. Which could go with her apple bottoms because they're pink and brown with it. And this new heart on it. I'm sorry, I look a mess right now. I'm super sorry. My hair too. It's getting done a little bit. I think I should go like this. I should leave. Daddy bear too. Daddy's princess. And she's playing light. Okay. Then it comes with some pants. A little cat on the butt. It's so cute. I got another pair of these for like 6 months. My dad bought them. I was like, oh my gosh, that's the same thing. Same thing as that screenshot. So, yeah. There's just some more socks. Like the brown ones. It's the pink of it. At the end. Okay, these are her burping cloths. I got one like this, and one this color. Then we got her some mittens. And my dad got her mittens. Okay. Mommy's Little Sunshine. They're so cute. Okay. These are her washcloths. I don't know if you need them at the hospital, but I'm bringing them in. These are her washcloths. I got her one of these. I don't know if I was going to need it or what. I know it's for the nose. Like that. Okay. Then we got some white. You need those. Give me 1 second. Okay. I got little sample stuff. I'm buying the big stuff tomorrow. So I got the head to toe baby wash, and the baby powder, and baby lotion. And I got the baby shampoo, the original. You know we all had this. Then I got the Desitin baby wash stuff for sure, and yet. But that's most of it. I didn't know what to put in there, so it's going to be completely different. The tops, just in case when I'm there, they show me how to do breastfeeding, and I don't want to waste milk, so I'm going to put it in the bottles. I got some bottles in a box over here. I got like 3, I believe, no, it's 2. I got small, I think it's 8, I'll show you. Here's a small one. This is the 5 ounce. 5 ounce bottle. That's these ones. This is the one with it's just the, like the nipple, like a nipple. Like an, actual nipple. So this is it right here. This is my first year, my stepmom. This for you, thank you. We got another one. There's a big one over here. I don't know when she's going to use this, but I didn't take the stuff that's in it out of it, the paper, to put this in an outside. I don't know when she's going to use it. She needs this food from it. But that's everything I got. I got 9 ounce, 6 ounce, 5 ounce, 3, 8 ounce. There are some little yeah, I'm so excited. I literally have like 2 more weeks and she should be here. And I cannot wait to show her. Because she's the first grandbaby in my family. Second from him. Second from her daddy. But they got a lot of kids on his side anyway. But yeah, this is awesome. I know I'm rambling. It's like almost 1:20 in the morning and I kind of have stuffy, but it's my throat issues. I don't know why. And right now I'm having some pain because she's hurting me. I'm sitting down the way I'm sitting. My legs wide open, but oh well. And she has a little toy in here. It says Hello Pooh and it has a little thing on it. Like every page has like something. I just don't like the noises. This is like so annoying. Like say you're in a car and you hear this all the time. This is crazy. And you eat or I love to see her. I love you. That's that. That's one toy. And I don't know who picked this out for her, but she I think this came from my little brother. About her, like she's a dog. Listen, I don't know. I don't know about this. And this is her little changing thing. It came with. Pink. thanks to Dreaming. We'll be here tomorrow to help me move. Because, you know, like I said in my last video, I'm having kind of a hard time with something that is in my personal life, and I do want to put that out. Because the person that has the issue would be very pissed off about that. Excuse my crunchy. But I'm also bringing this too. Excuse my pants. Bringing this. Now, isn't it so cute how they have the breast, the breast pumps in their own little bag. It's like, even though it's not for a boy, this is what it came in. So I looked at one, all of them like this. So I got more bottles. So that means I have another 5 ounce. Then it also comes with another 5 ounce. And a little pump itself. Put that in here. And this is just the electric part, or I could put batteries. I could put batteries here, and then, or the electric part goes with this and this. Actually, I could probably plug the game. And it came with the bag. Let's just open some more. There's a floor cap. There's a floor cap. Anything and everything. Awesome ones with this. And these are the there's some breast pads. That's it for the hospital with me. I don't do not my hospital bag. Most likely tomorrow because I got to put in. Just along with the room. Should be sweet in here. It's very hard to fly your trip. I know that much. So, that's about it. I'll see y'all later. This is my longest video, so I have to cut short and do it again. But I'll see you guys later. Bye now.